Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, the skipper brave and sure. My passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship set round on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Gilligan, the skipper too, the millionaire and his wife, the movie star, the professor and Mary Ann, here on Gilligan's Isle.
Olive oil, olive oil.
Here I am, Popeye.
Where's me spinach? Where's me spinach?
My, oh my, Popeye, but you're eating too much spinach.
Well, blow me down.
Is that right, Popeye? Eat all this spinach to make those big muscles?
Nah, tain't so. I am what I am on account of I eats me spinach. Oh, I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. Now I am what I am, and that's all what I am. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Nobody gives a shit about the second. They can where the players go and face out down the ring. And the Stanley Cup is all filled up, and the chance to win the drink. And the final flick of a hockey stick. One gigantic scream. The puck is in. The Leafs win. I know, it's an old song. The good old hockey game is the best game.